Welcome to HouseLux Estate, the digital hub for entrepreneurs and business enthusiasts alike. Here at HouseLux, we're all about harnessing the power of innovation to push the boundaries of business success. Today, we're focusing on a cutting-edge topic that's transforming the digital landscape, using AI tools to increase your business's online presence. In our increasingly digital world, having a robust online presence isn't just an option anymore, it's a necessity. And what better way to strengthen that presence than by leveraging the power of artificial intelligence? Through AI tools, businesses can not only increase their visibility online, but also engage with their audience more effectively and make data-driven decisions. So if you've been looking for ways to enhance your business's digital footprint and stay ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step process of using AI tools to enhance your business's digital footprint. To navigate the world of AI tools, first, we need to understand what AI is and how it impacts businesses. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a broad term that refers to machines or software exhibiting human-like intelligence. It's a technology that's capable of learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. But what does this mean for businesses? In today's digital age, AI has become a game-changer for businesses, especially when it comes to enhancing their online presence. It offers potential that stretches far beyond what we could have imagined just a few years ago. Imagine being able to predict customer behavior, automate repetitive tasks, and provide personalized experiences to your clients, all with a few clicks. That's the power of AI for businesses. AI can be applied in various areas to improve a business's online presence. Let's look at a few examples. In customer service, AI can power chatbots that provide instant, round-the-clock assistance to clients. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also frees up your team to focus on more complex tasks. In terms of marketing, AI can help businesses analyze vast amounts of data to gain insights into customer behavior and preferences. This can enable businesses to create more effective, targeted marketing campaigns. AI can also play a crucial role in data analysis. It can sift through massive amounts of data in a fraction of the time it would take a human, helping businesses make more informed decisions and predict future trends. And these are just a few examples. The possibilities with AI are virtually endless, and with the right tools, businesses of all sizes can leverage this technology to boost their online presence. With a clear understanding of AI, we can now explore how to harness its power for your business. The first step in leveraging AI for online presence is choosing the right tools. In the bustling marketplace of AI technology, there's a tool for just about everything. But not every tool will be the right fit for your business. So how do you sift through the sea of options to find the ones that will best serve your goals? First, consider your business needs. What tasks are you hoping to automate or streamline with AI? Are you looking to boost your social media engagement, optimize your website's search engine performance, or perhaps improve your customer service? The answers to these questions will guide you towards the AI tools that align with your objectives. Next, think about your budget. AI tools range from free-of-charge basic versions to premium tools that come with a hefty price tag. As tempting as it might be to opt for the most advanced tool on the market, it's important to balance the cost with the expected return on investment. Remember, the most expensive tool isn't always the best one for your business. Ease of use is another crucial factor. AI technology is meant to make your life easier, not complicate it. So, opt for tools that are user-friendly and require minimal technical expertise. There's no point in investing in an AI tool if you or your team can't figure out how to use it effectively. Now, let's look at some of the popular AI tools businesses are using today. For social media engagement, tools like Buffer and Hootsuite are quite popular. They offer AI-driven analytics and post-scheduling features. For search engine optimization, there's SEMrush and Moz, which provide AI-powered insights into your website's performance. And for customer service, chatbot tools like MobileMonkey and Drift are making waves. But remember, these are just examples, and it's not an endorsement of any kind. Once you've selected the right AI tools, it's time to put them to work. With the right selection, these tools can transform your online presence, driving engagement, boosting visibility, and ultimately growing your business. So get out there, explore the AI landscape, and find the tools that are perfect for your business. Implementing AI tools effectively is key to boosting your online presence. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide of how to do this, beginning with integration. First off, You've got to integrate your selected AI tools into your existing systems. This might sound complex, but in reality, many AI tools are designed to be user-friendly and compatible with commonly used platforms. For instance, if you're using a customer relationship management system, you'll find AI tools that can seamlessly blend with it, enhancing its functionality and giving you more data-driven insights. Now on to the second step, training. Remember, AI tools are just that, tools. They're designed to be used by people. So it's essential to train your staff on how to use them. This doesn't necessarily mean everyone needs to become an AI expert. Far from it. Most AI tools come with intuitive interfaces and helpful guides. Your goal should be to ensure that everyone understands the basics of how to use these tools and how they can help improve your business's online presence. The third step is monitoring. Like any other business strategy, implementing AI tools requires monitoring to ensure they're working as expected and to identify any issues that may arise. This means keeping an eye on key performance indicators, or KPIs, and being ready to make adjustments as needed. Remember, the beauty of AI is its ability to learn and adapt. So if something isn't working quite right, there's always room for improvement. Which brings us to our fourth and final step, continuous learning and adjustment. Implementing AI tools isn't a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing process. As your business evolves, so too will your use of AI. You'll learn more about what works and what doesn't, and you'll need to make adjustments accordingly. This could mean tweaking settings, trying out new features, or even switching to a different tool altogether. The key is to stay flexible and adapt to your needs. And there you have it. 4 steps to effectively implementing AI tools for your online presence. Integration, training, monitoring, and continuous learning. It might seem like a lot, but remember, the benefits can be substantial. With the right AI tools in place, you can streamline processes, gain deeper insights into your customers, and ultimately boost your online visibility. And remember, the goal isn't just to use AI tools, it's to use them effectively. That means understanding not just what these tools can do, but how to make them work for you and your business. Remember, the goal is to enhance your online presence, and with the right implementation, AI tools can do just that. So, go forth and let AI be the wind beneath your business's wings. We've covered a lot today, so let's take a moment to recap. We embarked on this journey by exploring the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its implications for business. We discovered that AI is not just a trendy buzzword, but a powerful tool that can revolutionize the way we conduct business online. We learned that AI, at its core, is about machines learning from experience, adjusting to new inputs, and performing tasks that usually require human intelligence. This technology is no longer the future, it's the present, and it's reshaping the business landscape as we know it. We then delved into how to choose the right AI tools. We understood that not every AI tool is created equal, and that it's crucial to select one that aligns with our business goals and needs. We highlighted the importance of considering factors such as ease of use, scalability, and the level of customer support offered by the tool's provider. We also emphasized that the right tool should be capable of analyzing data, predicting trends, and automating tasks, thereby freeing up valuable time for entrepreneurs to focus on strategic decision-making. In the next segment, we discussed how to effectively implement these AI tools to bolster your online presence. We explored how AI can enhance SEO, social media engagement, content creation, and customer service. We also emphasized that while AI can automate many tasks, it doesn't replace the need for a solid digital strategy. Instead, it augments it, making it more efficient and effective. In short, using AI tools can give your business the competitive edge it needs in today's digital market. It can help you connect with your audience on a deeper level, streamline operations, and ultimately drive growth. Thank you for joining HouseLux Estate today. Remember to subscribe and join us next time as we continue to explore the digital world of entrepreneurship and business.